Clementine and the Perfume of Freedom. Once upon a time, in the heart of old Paris, there lived a little girl named Clementine Fleur. She could tell a rose from a daisy with just one sniff, and even guess what you'd eaten for breakfast. Clementine, in her secret workshop beneath a bakery, listens to Monsieur Armand. Ah, Clementine. A few drops of jasmine, 2 spoons of lavender. Magnifique. Monsieur, what does happiness smell like? Clementine asked curiously. Ah, my dear, that's the hardest perfume of all to make. Armand sighed sadly. Outside, the atmosphere shifts dramatically as storm clouds gather over Paris. Distant drums signal the call for freedom and the age of silks fades. In the workshop, Clementine worries about their perfumes as the world outside rages. My dear, perhaps beauty must wait for peace to return, Armand replied with a heavy sigh. No matter who rules Paris, Clementine declared, people will always need to feel beautiful inside. She mixes the queen's roses, lemons, and a single drop of Paris rain. L'essence du cœur, the essence of the heart, she whispered proudly. When people smelled it, bakers smiled wider, tired mothers laughed again. Years later, her recipe was rediscovered by dreamers who founded major perfume houses. The best perfumes don't come from flowers, but from love. Clementine giggled.